Welcome to Mastering Consistent Communication, 10 Expert Tips for Working Professionals. In today's fast-paced world, effective and consistent messaging is crucial for professional success. Whether it's in meetings, emails, or presentations, your communication skills can make or break your career. So, let's dive into these essential tips to help you improve your messaging consistency. Tip 1. Define your key messages and stick to them. This will ensure that you convey a clear and concise message to your audience. Tip 2. Use consistent language and terminology. Avoid jargon or confusing phrases that may hinder effective communication. Tip 3. Maintain a professional tone. Be mindful of your tone in all written and spoken communication, ensuring it aligns with the context and audience. Tip 4. Choose the appropriate communication channel. Consider whether a face-to-face conversation, email, or phone call is best suited for your message. Tip 5. Adapt your communication style to your audience. Tailor your language and approach based on who you are communicating with to ensure maximum understanding and engagement. Tip 6. Practice active listening. Pay attention to the needs and concerns of others, and respond thoughtfully to create an atmosphere of open and effective communication. Tip 7. Create regular communication touchpoints. Check in with your team and colleagues to provide updates and gather feedback, fostering a collaborative and consistent work environment. Tip 8. Use visual aids and storytelling techniques. Illustrating your message with visuals or compelling narratives can enhance understanding and make your communication more memorable. Tip 9. Prioritize feedback and learn from it. Actively seek feedback from colleagues, supervisors, or mentors to identify areas for improvement and refine your messaging skills. Tip 10. Practice, practice, practice. Consistency comes with practice, so make an effort to practice your communication skills regularly in various scenarios. Thanks for watching Mastering Consistent Communication, 10 Expert Tips for Working Professionals. By implementing these tips, you'll enhance your messaging consistency, thereby building stronger professional relationships and advancing your career. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on professional development.